Hi everyone, I'm Dina with the Sephora Pro team, and today I'm really excited because I am celebrating Kat Von D Beauty's 10-year anniversary and 1-year anniversary of her relaunch of Saint and Sinner fragrances. So today I've created a look inspired by the fragrances. So this look here that I created was inspired by the Saint fragrance, and what I love about the Saint fragrance is that it has vanilla, musk, and jasmine. Those are going to be those really beautiful standout notes in the fragrance, so they're going to feel very floral and very pretty and soft and romantic. I definitely was inspired by their dreamy notes, and it just felt very like ethereal to me, so I wanted to create something that was very soft on the makeup, and I got to use the Lock-It foundation, and the foundation shade that I use is Light 47 Neutral, along with a little bit of concealer, which I really love because it builds very, very easily. So I use this under the eyes and on little spots on my skin, and I use the shade L7 Warm. And then to contour the skin, I used a little bit of the Shade and Light palette, which I am obsessed with. This is one of my must-haves. I just love the way that this works, and that it just really just sets the makeup beautifully and just gives a lot of this definition without looking overdone. And then on the eyes, I got to use the Shade and Light eye contour palette. This one's beautiful because I was able to really create those contours, and a lot of the notes actually reminded me of some of the shades in here. So I got to use a lot of these like nudes and neutral tones in the palette, which represent a lot of the notes in the fragrance actually. So I used this shade here that represented the vanilla notes, and then this to contour my eye, which is a representative of the caramel in the fragrance. So it's very sweet and gourmand. It's almost like a fragrance that you want to eat just because it smells so sweet. And then I just wanted to use a little bit of that along the bottom lash line to really bring out and draw out the eye. And then on the lips, I used the Saint liquid lipstick, and who knew? She actually has a matching liquid lip to her fragrance, so now you know. This is just a really beautiful pink, really light pink tone for the lips, and I think it'll look really beautiful on all skin tones. You can lighten it up by mixing in a little bit of concealer actually. That's something that I did today, is just add a little drop of this concealer right in the center to create more of that fuller pout, or you can use deeper liners to make it look a little deeper. The fragrances come in 3 different size options. So this is the 3.4. There's also a 1.7 and a rollerball option. So I hope you like this look that was inspired by Saint, and next I'm showing you a look inspired by Sinner. So here I have the Sinner fragrance, and this is basically has all the same heart notes. So you're gonna get like the vanilla, the jasmine, there's also mandarin and also the Maribel plum in both Sinner and Saint, but this one's got more of an edge to it. So you're gonna notice a lot more of the like deeper, darker notes. And that's exactly what I did with my makeup. I really wanted that to translate and to be a little more edgy and playful at the same time. So I'm also wearing the Sinner liquid lip. This is actually available with a Sinner roller ball, so it comes in a set. Same with the Saint and the Saint roller ball, so you can get your matching liquid lip with the actual fragrance, and that's really fun. This is the 1.7 size bottle, so this is going to be a little bit smaller. It's definitely portable, so you can carry this on with you when you're traveling. The bottle is also so stunning. Kat actually designed this herself, and it was inspired by the heart. It's also so detailed and so well done. I really, really love the packaging, and I love setting them on my vanity, the 2 of them together. So when I feel like being a sinner, I wear this guy, and then when I feel like being a saint, I wear this one, and sometimes I actually do them together and layer these fragrances so I can wear them both at the same time. Some of the notes that I was really inspired by in this fragrance were the patchouli, wood, and cinnamon notes, and I really wanted that to translate on my eyes, so I used the Shade and Light eye contour palette, and this is again something that I love to use because you have all these wonderful matte shades, and in this palette I used this shade here to really define my crease, and then this along the lash line around the top and bottom. And then back in the crease, I used this shade down below. And that's what I did on my eyes. For my complexion, I kept it the same. So same Lock-It foundation and concealer, and then also the Shade and Light contour palette on the cheeks. I hope you guys enjoyed these fragrance-inspired looks. I encourage you to do them on yourselves and really create something inspiring and fun. And if you haven't subscribed already, definitely do that so you can keep up with all of us here at Sephora. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.